Now, sign-up bonuses, like you guys know, are huge within credit cards. That's where you guys will find yourself getting a good majority of your points. Not that 1% cash back, not that 3 to 5% cash back, surprisingly. You're gonna get a lot of your points from sign-up bonuses. Now, getting sign-up bonuses has its advantages and it also has a disadvantage. One of the disadvantages in this video that I want to talk to you guys about is really just keeping track of it and keeping organized with it. And credit card companies in the past did not have this tracking feature available, but now as time starts to roll on, we're seeing this more and more available to a lot of consumers out there. So in this video, we're actually going to be talking more about the sign-up bonus tracker, what it is, how you guys can see it, and how you guys can utilize it for your most maximum potential so you guys don't miss out on any miles, any points, and any dollars. Now guys, the sign-up bonus tracker isn't anything new. This has been rolling out for the past few years, but not a lot of users actually saw it and not a lot of people know how to use it. Now Chase has actually taken a step in the right direction by implementing this out to the mass audience. If you guys actually log into the website or use your Chase app, you're gonna be able to find the sign-up bonus tracker. Now there are some users that are still reporting that they are not able to use it or see it. Now I would give it some time if you guys are not seeing it right now because a lot of users are reporting mixed data at the moment. Now the sign-up bonus tracker actually comes with a few key benefits that allow us to actually have a better idea of how to hit these sign-up bonuses. One of the biggest benefits of the sign-up bonus tracker is that it allows us to have a measurement and a gauge of how much we need to spend to hit that sign-up bonus. In addition to that, it confirms on that account whether or not we have a sign-up bonus that we're working on. But most importantly, it clarifies the date as well for us to hit that sign-up bonus. Now, if you guys have a Chase account, you're gonna be able to see this benefit for the most part with business and personal cards. You're not gonna be able to see this with co-branded cards, but it's really gonna be awesome if they start to implement that in the future as well, because most people are not just gonna have a personal and business card. So American Express and Citi also have this type of benefit, but I've read in comment sections of the Reddit forum and the MyFICO forum that not everyone has actually gotten the feature yet. So some people actually get it and some people don't. If you guys have gotten this feature and if you guys have seen it, make sure you comment down below. But if you guys have not seen it, make sure you let us know down below too. I'm really curious if people that actually watch my videos are getting this or not. I know personally I have not seen a sign-up bonus tracker since the last time I logged in, but the way you guys can access this is through the app or through the website. Now if you guys go through American Express's side, it has been reported that if you open an email, it's going to tell you every day up to a certain point what your sign-up bonus tracking requirement is like. So the way that email works is they have a certain line of code that actually updates that system. So whenever you put the spend, it's going to update the system and update the email. And some people just save that email to look into instead of just logging in and going in that way. American Express does also show it on their website as well. But like I said to you guys, I have not seen it yet. But if you guys have seen it or if you guys have not seen it either, make sure you drop down below and let the community know too as well. Now guys, this is definitely a useful tool for us credit churners because one of the most annoying things is just trying to figure out how much we have to spend, when that due date is up, and you guys don't want to be putting spend on a credit card after you get that sign-up bonus if you're not going to be able to maximize the benefits with that particular card. So what that means is I just recently got the American Express Bonvoy business card. As soon as I hit that minimum spend requirement, I'm done with that card. I'm not putting any spend there. I literally just want that sign-up bonus, and more money I spend on that card, the more money I lose because I'm actually getting way more benefits and a way better bang for my buck if I actually put my spend on other cards such as the Chase Ink Business Preferred, the Chase Sapphire Preferred, or even the American Express Gold Card. There's just other cards that I can use personally that's gonna be giving me better benefits. The only way I could figure out how much I had to hit for a minimum spend requirement, I always had to call the credit card company, and that just takes up a lot of time. Then I had to figure out how much I had to spend. With this minimum spend bonus tracker, it's going to be helping us a lot, saving us a lot of time. So if you guys have not yet seen it, make sure you look for it. It's very easy to access. I'll put a lot of screenshots here as much as I can to help you guys out finding it. But guys, this isn't supposed to be a long video. I hope you guys stayed with me till the end, and if you guys did, y'all are helping out this channel. You guys are helping me grow as a YouTuber as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a thumbs up, drop a comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh yeah, one more thing. Let the flex be with you. Peace. Beep. Now the sign-up bonus feature. Now the sign-up bonus tracker actually comes with 4 useful benefits. One of those includes that